got out of the cellar a few minutes ago.
Somebody will find him. He's got a tag. Somebody will find him.
It went just north of us. But all these ones are got an emergency vehicle going by.
So he could be right there. Oh, he can be right there.
That storm made a big mess, didn't it?
Yeah.
There's the path.
And there's the path. And there's the path. There's some more doggies. And so he can be right there.
That part right there, I'm a little concerned. Hopefully it won't
Come here.
develop into anything.
Come here, buddy.
Okay.
Come here, buddy.
We got a little bit of a lowering right here. Again, that might just be some wind shear. Looks like most of the activity is to the north. This looks like a little bit, some strong downdrafts here. I think we're in the process of, as far as weather goes, trying to clear out a little bit. But that right there, that side is okay, but over here, looking north, that's a different story. My understanding right now, there are some people killed in that rubble. Right now, people going through what's left of their homes. We still have a fire burning.
Y'all make it home.
There's no more storm clouds back to the south. Hope nothing else comes of it. Boy. Looking back to the south here, like I said, homes aren't quite as badly damaged. Next street north of Brandy's house. This is the neighborhood hardest hit. A lot of people out looking at the damage. lot of busted water lines out here.
We still can't find it.
Right there. There will be a little bit of a line that wraps around, and the checkpoint is actually inside the neighborhood now. Last few days they've had it sitting right there on 134th Street, but there will be a checkpoint inside. We are approaching the house, and we'll
And now we're starting to. There's your place there.
Yep.
Just on the outer fringes.
Still can't believe Don survived it.
Yeah, I know it. It's